Hi, Mark. How are you? You look a little worried.
Oh, hi, Lucy. Yes, I feel embarrassed. Yesterday, someone asked me, "What did you do today?" And I didn't know what to say in English.
Don't worry, Mark. That happens to many people, but we can fix it. Talking about your day is simple if we practice together.
Really? You think I can do it?
Of course. I'll tell you about my day step by step, and then you can try.
Okay, I'll try, but I'm shy.
That's fine, Mark. Step by step. Let's start with the morning. In the morning, I wake up at 7 o'clock. Then I get out of bed and go to the bathroom. I wash my face and brush my teeth. What about you, Mark? When do you wake up?
I think I wake up at 6:30.
Good. Say it again. I wake up at 6:30.
I wake up at 6:30.
Perfect. What do you do after that?
I, um, I turn off my alarm, and then I stretch.
Excellent. That's great English. After my shower, I get dressed. I usually wear jeans and a sweater.
I also take a shower. Then I get dressed. I put on a t-shirt.
Very nice, Mark. See? You can do it. For breakfast, I usually eat cereal and drink tea. Then I pack my bag and leave the house. I like to walk to work. What about you, Mark?
I make breakfast. I eat eggs and toast. I drink coffee.
Good job. Say the full sentence. For breakfast, I eat eggs and toast. I drink coffee.
For breakfast, I eat eggs and toast. I drink coffee.
Wonderful. And how do you go to work?
I usually take the bus and I listen to music.
That's excellent, Mark. You're speaking clearly. At work, I say hello to my coworkers. Then I start my computer. Write emails and answer clients. I also have meetings. What about you?
I also say hello. Then I start my computer. I write emails. And sometimes I have meetings.
Perfect. That's exactly how you talk about your work. At lunch, I eat rice and salad with my coworkers.
I usually eat a sandwich. And I drink tea.
Excellent, simple and clear. After work, I usually take the bus home. Sometimes I stop at the store and buy groceries like bread and fruit. When I get home, I change clothes and rest.
After work, I also stop at the store. I buy eggs or fruit. Then I walk home.
Great. Say the full sentence. After work, I walk home and buy groceries.
After work, I walk home and buy groceries.
Perfect. In the evening, I relax on the sofa. Sometimes I watch TV or cook pasta for dinner. After dinner, I wash the dishes and call my parents.
In the evening, I relax. I sometimes watch YouTube. I also cook dinner, maybe soup or pasta.
Very good, Mark. That sounds like a healthy routine. Before bed, I brush my teeth, put on pajamas, and turn off the lights. Then I go to sleep at 11 o'clock.
I do the same. I brush my teeth and put on pajamas. I go to bed at 11 too. Wow, Lucy, I was shy, but now I feel better.
See? You can talk about your daily routine in English. And to everyone watching, you can do it too. Start with small steps. Don't worry about mistakes. And don't forget to subscribe to listen to more daily English confidence stories.
Yes, practice every day and you will feel more confident.
Good job today.